It's math time. All right, we are starting with lesson 15 now for the week. We are going to do lesson 15, day 1, and what you're going to need is your color paged workbook, and you're going to be needing pages 94 and 95. So I hope you already have that ready. If not, you may pause the video and then you can go on. So it looks like what's happened here, somebody's dropped some pencils. It happens, doesn't it? Yeah. So Joe, it says, picks up 7 pencils. That was helpful. Carla picks up 3 pencils. Good. And Pete picks up 4 pencils. All right. So, and the question is, how many pencils do the children pick up? So let me go ahead and tell you what our objective is today for our focus. I'm going to read it, and I want you to read it after me. I can solve an addition problem with 3 addends. Let's read that again. I can solve an addition problem with 3 addends. 3. How many addends have we been using so far? 2. We do something like 7 plus 9. 7 and 9. That's our 2 addends. Now we've got 3 addends we're going to do. Yes, we are. We're so awesome. Now, so if I look back at the problem in my book, it's got some lines there. It's got some pencils. So I want to fill it out. I'm going to fill out that first one on the left, the first number sentence. And how many pencils does Joe pick up? 7. So I'm going to put that in there. The plus is already there for you. And then Carla picks up 3. And then, oh, we're not finished. I need another plus. Pete, he helps out and picks up 4 pencils. And then it says, how many pencils did they pick up in all? Now, why do I know to put plus on these? Did you hear the words in all? They wanted to know. The question is, how many pencils do the children pick up? I said in all, but that's how many they picked up. All right, so we're going to go on with that. Now, I want you to look. Our lesson that we just finished and quizzed on yesterday was to make a 10. Does anyone see a way we can make 10? I hope you found it. We have 7 and 3. So, like your picture is drawn there, on your next line down, that 7 and 3 make 10. Hey. So now what's my new problem? I've got 7 and 3 put together. Now I can do what? I can take that 10 and I can add what to it? What have I not used yet? The 4. That's awesome. And boys and girls, what is 10 plus 4? That's pretty easy. You know that one pretty quick, don't you? 10 plus 4 is 14. So if we did this correctly, 10 plus 4 is 14, then 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals 14. Are you filling this out in your workbook as I'm doing it? All right. Now, look on the other side of the paper. We've got it. We can do it a different way. Yeah, your choice. So I'm going to rewrite that problem. 7 plus 3 plus 4. And what does that equal? Well, we figured out over here it was 14. But let's see if we can go a different way and figure it out that way. All right. So here it's telling me, it gave us the hint with those little lines to add the 3 and the 4 together. And when I add 3 plus 4, what do I get? Hey, that makes 7. All right, so there's 7. So now my new problem is to bring down this 7 plus that 3 plus 4 that makes 7. Hey, that's a double. What's 7 and 7? 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus 3 plus 4 is 14. Is that the same thing we found in the other one? It is. So the sentence down at the bottom says the children pick up, and then you need to write in 14 pencils. Cool. That is really good. So we're going to be looking for, you want to look for ways to make a 10. Or there might be a way you could do a double. I like to make 10s, but you might like to make doubles. We're going to do it both ways. So if you look on your next page, it's got a story about some children that have some blocks. So it says Anna has 6 red blocks, 4 blue blocks, and 2 green blocks. How many blocks does she have in all? And look, they already wrote the problem for you. Let me get caught up to that. They have 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals, and they've got a big old question mark there. And it's asking us to solve for that. Then it's got the other one, 6 plus 2 plus 4, and what does that equal? Hey, wait a minute. This is in a different order. Is that okay? Is it? It is. Remember the commutative property of addition? That means it doesn't matter what order that you're adding these numbers in, you're still going to come out with the same correct answer, adding properly. So I want you to finish that page. The first one wants you to put these two together, which means then you'll have to add your 2 to get your answer. And then they rearranged it because they want you to put these 2 together. And you'll bring down your 6 for that and get your answer there. And can you post that on Seesaw so I can see? And don't forget to fill in the answer for the blank. Anna has blank blocks in all. Good luck.